Don't say very easy. Say smooth. Don't say very confused. Say perplexed. Don't say very funny. Say hilarious. Don't say very dry. Say parched. Don't say very smelly. Say pungent. Don't say very calm. Say serene. Don't say very cold. Say freezing. Don't say very colorful. Say vibrant. Don't say very big. Say immense. Don't say very excited. Say thrilled. Don't say very slow. Say sluggish. Don't say very crowded. Say bustling. Don't say very rich. Say wealthy. Don't say very cute. Say adorable. Don't say very busy. Say overloaded. Challenge. If you think your English is good, write maximum words that start with B and end with D. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thank you.